Fable 5 wins so hard, it's not even close. We're getting the same prompt to run in Codex, in Antigravity, and then we're going to finally do it with Claude Fable 5, and then we're going to compare the apps between each other and see which one was able to build us a better Japan itinerary page. In Antigravity, it was able to do something that the web app didn't do, which was generate images using Google's Nano Banana model, and it uses them in the UI to actually show you click cards about the different areas. GPT-5.5 High in Codex. This was quite a nice web app as well. So we get our agenda. We get a bit less detail compared to our Antigravity Gemini web app. Fable 5. This is the very first thing I've used Fable 5 for at all. In our Fable 5 web app, we get a route, and we actually get this on a map. None of the other models did an interactive map of what Japan can actually look like. Go down into picking your 2 weeks in August. We then get a little bit of a festival calendar for other festivals. If we compare our itinerary from Fable to GPT 5.5 on High, it gives us the actual like day by day things to do and things to think about. And it says, you probably want a Suica card to pay for train buses and stuff in Tokyo. On our Codex web app, we just get, arrive and settle in. It doesn't actually give us any information about buying Suica cards or anything, right? We get like, show me the food options, show me pop culture and city options, show me nature and onsen options. And so if you can go down to Hakone, you'll get the onsen icons, and it's highlighting or hiding the actual like the day by day plans. And so if you had a whole bunch of stuff here planned and you decided, I'm more interested in pop culture and city stuff, you could highlight them and that will get rid of like all of Hakone because there's nothing pop culture-y in that day. Again, Fable clearly wins. The power you get with the biggest models, and what I've heard a lot of people talk about from Fable, is it's better with catching edge cases and nuance. So it says the one big date decision is Obon, which is Japan's summer homecoming. It's a Buddhist festival. Half the country travels across the country all at once, roughly August 18 to 16. And so the Shinkansen pricing would be really high. So if you are planning on traveling around August, expect this and plan for it, or don't travel during that period. This mentioned reserved Shinkansen seats in the Codex web app, but it didn't call it out as like one of the key decisions. Antigravity Gemini app, they also talk about Obon, and they have a little travel warning down here on the third page, but it's not highlighted in the same way Fable does. And only Fable was able to actually correctly capture that this is the big like decision point to hinge around. This technology is here and it is available, and you can use it to solve a huge class of problems right now.